Oh, I have slipped the surly bonds of earth, and danced the skies on laughter-silvered wings. Sunward I've climbed, and joined the tumbling mirth of sun-split clouds, and done 100 things you have not dreamed of. Wheeled and soared and swung high in the sunlit silence. Hovering there, I've chased the shouting wind along and flung my eager craft through footless halls of air. Up the long, delirious, burning blue I've topped the windswept heights, with easy grace where never lark or even eagle flew. And while the silent, lifting mind I've trod, the high, untrespassed sanctity of space, put out my hand